taper. I don't know if it'll shoot off.
Yeah, it could.
Let down on it easy. Hold on, Tom.
I'm on my taper.
The taper's big though.
You ready?
Okay.
I mean, I'm 6 inches inside my wall still, so
Sure.
yeah, let her down a little bit. Take it your way a little bit.
Hang on a second. Let me
No.
dip in a little bit. It'll put less hole on it.
I'm 6 inches inside my wall. He's still on his
But
wall.
I mean, I've got an awful pull. If I can tip forward, I'll quit pulling so much.
He's
Hold
almost
on.
there.
Okay.
We're level. We're equal here.
Don't push anymore yet, Tom.
Don't push anymore?
No.
Chad's got to get you
Okay.
hold of you.
Yeah, see, now you're fighting me.
Yep. I'm gonna have you know.
I can try backing up.
Yep, I think back up a little bit. Back up on the same swing you were going.
Yep.
Maybe nose down just a little bit. Okay, hold on.
Here,
Take a little
I might
tension
need
up
your
on it
help,
now.
too, so that we can pull it this way. So if it
Well,
starts
see, it's got to go into that notch.
right, but if it starts going that way, we can pull this way.
Yeah, right.
That's a good
That's
theory.
why I said we're gonna try it.
I don't have a window to hold here.
Just a little
I got a
bit.
door.
Okay, now you got a little tension on her. Okay, Tom,
Ready for a shove?
ready for a shove.
Yeah,
Whoa.
Okay. He's almost to the
He's
hole.
almost to his
I'm
hole.
almost. Hell, I could have put this on my shoulder.
Oh yeah.
Okay, wait a second.
What's up?
This, the flat.
Can I back up any?
Just a sec. Can we roll that up?
Why, certainly.
Yep, we want you to back up now.
I can back up and actually pull ahead then.
I think if you just back
How
up,
about 6 inches of
Slow.
back up slow, back
You're gonna
up.
pull Tom right off the damn ladder,
Right.
along with the beam.
Okay. You gotta pick up a little bit. We're hitting my 2x. Will it go up any?
Hold up, Tom.
Try.
I'm hooked long, so I might have to shorten it.
Oh.
More?
Nope. Okay, Tom, put yours down in your hole.
You gotta go
Just line
down.
it up right over it.
It's got to go your way a little bit. You
I know,
that,
just
right?
line it
Okay.
up so it's centered over your groove.
Back towards you.
Your
What
dad's
about
gonna
there?
do the rest. That's pretty close.
Yeah, it's pretty
How
close.
much room you got? I got between the bucket and the wall.
Oh, you got 8 inches.
I can see I can pull ahead and turn at the same time.
I think you wanna
Back.
cut it, back up.
Okay.
The center of my notch is right here. So you wanna cut it, back up, and it's gotta come to you 6 inches. Okay, will I pick up any more? Let me, oh no, I got it.
Whoa, mine's in.
Tom's
Down,
in.
down.
There.